Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Natalie. I said, happy birthday, Natalie. Natalie, wake up now. Wake up. Dear God, already 10 o'clock in the morning. You forget up, man. You forget up and thank God for waking you up this morning. Look at you. All the dancing where you dance all weekend. You fit thank the Lord he never take you before time. After all, Sunday you fit go to church. And instead you sit down in front of the TV and watch online, internet online, church service. And then you go on a party again. But what is this? You fit get up. You fit get up. Well, anyway, me just thank the Lord say him see you try next year. And me just pray that him bless you abundantly and him cause him face to shine upon you. You hear me? Cause him face to shine upon you and see you through. And when you repent and change your ways, you will see the light. You will be blessed. You hear me? You hear me, Natalie? Wake up. Get up out of the bed now. A time you fi get up. A time you fi get up. Thank you, Grandma. Okay, will you enjoy your day, okay? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.